In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add and delete rows in a browser on a desktop or laptop computer. For example, maybe you have a long inventory of food items here in your food inventory sheet, and it's all sorted by category and description, which we'll cover in another video. If you wanted to add an item in the middle of the list, all you would need to do is right-click on the list and select Insert Row. This will insert a new blank row above the cell you right-clicked on. Now let's say you want to insert a row below a specific row. All you do is right-click on the row selector over here on the far left of the row and select Insert Below. It's as easy as that. Deleting a row is just as easy. Maybe you just used the last of a food item, so you want to delete the row. All you do is right-click anywhere in the row you want to delete and select Delete Row. That's all there is to it. Below, I'll show you how the same things are done in the mobile app.